Hello, Third Advanced. How are you today? Well, today we are going to start learning or revising these tenses that you see here in the title. Yes, present continuous, be going to, and will. So when do we use the present continuous? We are here in the grammar focus. The present continuous is used for future arrangements or fixed arrangements. What is an arrangement? An arrangement is a date. Something that it has a time, that it has a moment, a fixed moment, that is, for example, going to the doctor, but it is a fixed plan. So, you use the present continuous for future arrangements, fixed arrangements, in which you often mention a time, a date, or a place. Yes, it is something planned, scheduled. When do we use be going to? Remember that be refers to am, is, or are. We use be going to for future intentions. You have already decided to do something and you tell people about it. Yes, it is an intention or a plan that has a decision. Yes, that is, it's not spontaneous. It's something that you know you want to do. Okay, and when do we use will? We use will for spontaneous decisions, that is, things that happen in a moment, that are sudden, that are unexpected, yes, not predicted or decided, previously decided. Yes, they are spontaneous decisions. You often use the expressions I think, I will probably, don't worry I'll, don't worry I. Yes? So, let's start again. Present continuous for future arrangements, fixed activities, dates. That is an event that has a time, a place, it is scheduled. Be going to for a future intention, yes, or a plan. But it's an intention that you have, yes, and you have already decided to do it. And will for something spontaneous, for something unexpected. Yes? Okay. Well, I hope that this is understood. So we are going to start. Have a look at exercise 1. What makes a good party? Think about the parties you attend to. What is important? The decoration, the music, the people who are going to attend the party, the location or the furniture, what they are going to serve as a drink or something to eat, the lighting, the noise, the sound. So you number the ideas in the order of importance. Which is the most important? That should be number 1. For example, for me, the most important is music, suppose. Yes? Well, then you're going to read this conversation. This conversation is between Tony and Luisa. You read it and you answer these 3 questions. I think that you don't have enough room here in the book, so you should go to the folder. Yes? Why is Tony having a party? Where and when is he having it? And how is Luisa going to help? Yes? Okay, then you revise the grammar focus again and you complete the examples with the future forms in blue in the conversation. Here in the conversation you have phrases that are in blue. For example, I'm having, I'm going to tell, I'll help. So, you complete the rules with these blue expressions. Yes, I'm going to help you with number 1. Here you say, you use the present continuous for future arrangements. You often mention a time, a date, or a place. So, which expression from the dialogue refers to this rule? This one. Am having. So here, I am having a birthday party on the 25th. Well, then you complete the rest yes, of the blanks with the blue expressions. After that, you do exercise 4. This exercise, yes, you should do it in the book. You can do it here. Read the conversation and choose the correct options. Yes, first read the conversation without choosing an option so that you know what it is about, and then you can choose. The second time you read it, you choose. In exercise number 5, you have to complete the email with the correct future form of the verb in brackets. Hi Amy, you know I move house next week. So if you change your house, you know that you're going to have a new house, you have to have this event planned, already planned. Yes, so you're not going to use be going to because it is not an intention. You know that next week you are moving. Will is for spontaneous things. So this is something scheduled. This is something planned, arranged, fixed. So you know I am moving. Present continuous. Yes? Okay, you complete the rest of the blanks. And then try to go to Grammar Focus, page 115. Yes? I'm going to include it here in the task. You do it. It's the explanation between the differences among the present continuous, be going to, and will. You do it in the book or in the folder. And next class, I'm going to send you the answers for this. Yes? You don't have to send these activities. Just do them. Yes? And practice them at home. And then you continue with the grammar focus, that you do it and you practice it at home. You don't have to send it. Well, I hope I see you soon. Have a nice weekend.